second edition of CID SPICE, or Speech Perception Instructional Curriculum and Evaluation, is a guide to helping children with severe and profound hearing loss develop listening skills. It contains sequences of lesson objectives and supporting activities designed for children ages 2 to 12 years old who are deaf or hard of hearing. The SPICE second edition covers procedures, strategies, and instructional goals. Sample stimuli and activities are included. The goals are presented in 4 sections: detection of speech stimuli, suprasegmental perception, vowel and consonant perception, and connected speech perception. Inside the kit, you'll find a manual, a pad of rating forms, an acoustic hoop, 18 listening box toys for young children, 704 small picture cards arranged for vowel and consonant perception activities, and 140 large picture cards arranged for suprasegmental perception activities. SPICE rating forms are used to evaluate the child's current speech perception abilities and to outline speech perception goals for the semester or school year. Use the language and percentage markings on the form to craft specific and measurable benchmarks and annual goals. Share the rating form with parents and other professionals to show where the child is currently working and to clarify the next steps for developing skills. The SPICE second edition contains additional auditory objectives and activities to accommodate a wide range of interests and skills for children at different ages and with more advanced listening levels. New, user-friendly changes to the kit include activity cards organized by goal and objective. Most SPICE activities can be adapted to meet the needs of children at a variety of language levels. Although SPICE contains all you need to conduct lessons, we encourage teachers and speech-language pathologists to develop additional activities, as needed, to practice goals and objectives in both structured and natural settings. Use SPICE as your foundational auditory guide, but give yourself license to think outside the box.